So here's something that I just learned, and my freight forwarder told me this over the weekend. I was chatting with my freight forwarder, and here's the backstory to it. So we have got heaps of our stock coming over from China at the minute, because what we're trying to do is we're trying to beat Chinese New Year. So Chinese New Year, every year, it's a complete shit fight with people wanting to get their stuff done either, before Chinese New Year. It's a mad rush. And so we've got all of our stuff done. We've put our orders in. We've got all of our shipping happening. And now our stuff is on a boat. But I'm running out of stock on some of my ASINs. I'm running out of stock. And so I am freaking the heck out because I don't want to run out of stock. So I'm hassling the hell out of my freight forwarder so that he will tell me where my stuff is. And I think I just hassled him so much so he got sick of it. And he says, look, here's how to check yourself. So if you ever find yourself in a situation where you want to know where your stock is, where your stuff is, in its particular shipping cycle, and this is just for shipping sea freight, then a super easy way to do that, let me show you. So I probably need to tell you how to go find some stuff first. So what you'll need is you'll need your bill of lading. All right, so you need your bill of lading. So let me show you what a bill of lading looks like. Here, I'll give you the link for this too. Send to all. That's an example of, so here's a bill. So this is Panjiva. It's a good website. I use it all the time to find the companies who supply my competitors. Here's a sample bill of lading. So it gives you all the information. You've got the bill of lading number, the vessel name, voyage number, blah, blah, blah. Okay, it includes HTS codes. Okay. The thing what you need is this. So what you want to do is once you get your freight forwarder to put your stuff onto the boat, get them to give you the bill of lading number, and from that you can get the vessel name. All right, pretty easy to get that. So here is the Osaka Express, and then what you want to do is come to this website, which is marinetraffic.com, all one word, marinetraffic.com. Come here, and you're just going to search for your vessel name. Here it is. So here is the vessel name, the Osaka Express. It's a container ship. And we're just going to click on that, and now we'll get to find out exactly where it is. Here it is. So we know it's been lessed. Here's when it's supposed to arrive and where it is. Obviously this isn't a legitimate one because that was just a sample, but you can see gives you all this information. This is all free, by the way, as well. So there's other ways to use this, but for our purposes it gives you a very, very easy way. Let's just see if we can look on a live map. It doesn't give you for every single one, but hopefully this will give it for us. Shows us exactly where it is. So this is in the port. All right, so it's still at the port waiting to get either loaded up or unloaded, whatever it is. All right, so that's at marinetraffic.com. It will allow you to see exactly where your products are in the shipping cycle, because let me tell you, freight forwarders lie to you all the time. They will tell you it's either on the way, it's going along, whatever it may be. All right, they don't want the hassle, so they'll just tell you, yes, it's left port, it's halfway there, it'll be there in a day or two. You don't need to believe any of that shit. You can just go and check for yourself by looking at marinetraffic.com. all right, so much better, so much better. Hope you liked that one. I just learnt that, so I thought it was kind of cool. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie online entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie online entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie online entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.